All right. Welcome back to this second video. In this second video, I want to get you acquainted with the blogger dashboard so that you understand what everything you see there means. Okay, so let me go back to my Chrome. Okay, so here's my Chrome. Here's my blogger dashboard. Of course, I'm no more using that blogger, that blog that I created for in the first video, since I've already created that. So I want to use my own blog here because it has more content to show you what everything here means. So you look at this place, you're going to see all this. You understand? You're going to see post, and in post you see all draft published. So post here is this, all means a total of posts, whether you have published it or not. Then you can see that from here, out of 9 posts I have published 8 and 1 is still in my draft that I'm editing. Okay, so you can see it here, that this is that one draft here. Okay, so with post, this is how you write post, the articles. Let me view blog. So that you will see those articles that I have written before from that blog. So of course you have come to this page before. I have sent you links from this page before. You can see these are posts. All these things here now are posts that I've written. So it is from that place that you write all those things. So you can see them. It is from those places that you write all those things there. Okay, so let me go back. So um so the next thing you see there is stats. Meanwhile, about post, this video is not aimed at showing you how to write post. I'm still going to create another video on how to write post. Of course, if you want to write a post, you can see this thing here, new post. So you simply click on it and start writing your post. You add pictures if you want, you add audios if you want, you do many things from there, but that's not the aim of this particular video. The aim is just to get you acquainted with everything that you see here. Okay, so let's move on to the second one. The second one is stats. Statistics is this. Stats is simply statistics. Statistics shows you everybody that have viewed your blog, which post they viewed, when they viewed it, from where they viewed it, even their country, even the browser they used, even the operating system of the device they use. They all show it to you. So let's check it out. So this is stats. So when you click on start, you will see something like overview. Post overview is simply a total overview of everything. Then posts will show you the particular post that is getting more views, and that will help you to know what type of post to keep writing. Then traffic sources will show you where those people who are viewing your post, from where did they see your post? Is it on Facebook, on Google, or somewhere else? So it will show you from where they saw that link and came to that post. That will give you an idea of where to paste your links more. Okay, so now from this overview you can see that today it's just one person have viewed this page today, because I haven't like I told you earlier, I have not advertised this blog. But you can see that yesterday 33 people viewed it, last month 438 people viewed it, and the total of people that have viewed this blog since I created it is 2,652 people. And you talk about traffic sources, you can see these traffic sources, that okay, I have a link to this my blog in watchmanfunai.com. That's why people are viewing it from here. You can see Google. Well, meanwhile, you have to select all time so that it will give you a start of all time. Because what it's giving me now is just for this month. You can see it, that traffic sources. People in nigerknowhow.net are viewing this. People are viewing it, they are seeing my link from there. Me, I did not paste any link there, but somehow they are searching from that particular website and are seeing my post. You see Google, and then you see Facebook. You see, that makes me to know that I should be writing more posts, that I should be advertising my this thing more on Google and Facebook and nigerknowhow.net. Okay, so now if you look at this place, it will show you which post is getting more views. You see premium, the simple way to create PayPal account, that's this number one here, and you can see it has the highest view, 318. That tells me the kind of things that people want to read, and I will simply start creating posts that are like those ones. All right, so let me move to post so that you will see. You see it here. Okay, that's it. You see here, of course, you see the bar that this has gotten the highest view, the simple, easy and simplest way to create a paper. And then this one, nine highly recommended things you need to start a website, why you need a website or a blog, new way to start recharge card is the list. So this shows me the kind of post that I will be writing more. And then these are my pages. Of course, I will tell you what is pages but when we reach there. Now let me go to traffic sources. You see it here. Niger Know How, Google, Facebook, abatibase.com. You see all these places are people from where people are viewing my blog. I really need to take time to know what is this nigerknowhow.net, so that I will see how people are viewing my blog there, and even write more things. Okay. Okay, you see keywords that people are searching. So these are words that when people search it, it will bring the link to my website, nigerlegit.com, online businesses. You see it when people search this keyword, it brings my website to them. So I will be writing more posts that has these keywords inside them. And then let me move to audience. You see, okay, here now, this is something wonderful. You can see that from this, 871 people viewed from unknown region, 688 from Nigeria, United States 680. You see that people from United States are viewing my blog, and they can view your blog. Israel, Germany, France, Belgium, Netherlands, Ukraine, India. These are people, the countries of the people that viewed this particular blog and read what I'm writing. Okay, let's see the browsers, page views by browser. So these are the browsers that are using. You see that Chrome, that most people that visit this website use Chrome browser, whether it's with their phone or with their system, they use Chrome browser. That's why Chrome browser is the most used browser in the world. Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, you see that the list is OPR. Are you seeing that now? So this is the browser form. So write posts that are more user friendly on Chrome browser. And this is operating system. You see that most people that is viewing this my blog is using Android phone. So we mean that mobile phones are viewing this blog more than computers are doing. So I have to keep customizing my website in a way that it looks good on mobile phones, because most people view with their mobile phones. So that is all about that. So of course, comment is about comment moderation, where you see comment if people comment on your site. Earning, you don't have nothing to do with earning now until you qualify for Google AdSense account. So you see I've qualified for Google AdSense account. I can visit this place to see my earning anytime, any day. So we're not much interested in that now. Okay, pages are things like about me page. You can see uh welcome page, social log, okay, table of content, terms and condition, privacy policy, disclaimer, refund policy, product reviews, my slides, and the rest of them. These are pages on my website. Pages are simply a particular place dedicated to explaining something. So an about me page, a terms and condition page, a privacy policy page, a product page where you list your products. Of course, you don't list products in your post. Your post is serving as a way of driving people to your page. So at the end of your post, if you're talking about a product, you have to put a link that sends them to your page. All right. So you can see I've published 10 pages. So you see layout. Layout has to do with how your blog looks. Of course, you see these are the gadgets. This is actually how my blog look on a computer. Okay, this is just the layout. You see my heading, you see my search. All these are hotmail codes. These are codes. You see from here, this is an image, this is an image, HTML, AdSense. This is where advertisements show and everything. So this is just how the structure of my website looks. So this place from here, from this column 2, to here is what we call header. Then from this main to down here is what we call the body. So this place, this side this side by your right is where we call sidebar, and then this is your footer. Of course, if you go to my website, you will see all those things. If you view this site on a laptop, you will see everything there. So this is just the structure of your the layout of my blog, and I can change it from my theme anytime, anywhere. I can try to change this structure and make it have two sidebars, maybe one sidebar by the right and one sidebar by the left, and then the body will be at the middle, the footer at the down, and the heading at the top. But this is how I want it to be. That's why I choose that layout. Then this is theme. This is theme. Yes, you see it from theme here. You see that I can always change my theme here, the theme of my blog. Like when I was creating that blog, I showed us how to select our theme, so I can always change that theme. If I want, I can select another one. Of course, if you look at, okay, this place shows, this particular block shows how this blog looks on a computer, why this shows how it looks on a mobile phone. So you see, this is what you see when you view on a mobile phone, this is what you see when you view on a computer. All right, so if edit hotmail code is how I edit my code, I can manipulate my codes to get what I want, but that is not what we're going into now. Then where we are more interested, where we'll be more interested in our previous videos is on this customize. This is from where you customize the look of your blog. We are going to check that out in the subsequent videos. Okay, so that is it about that. Then settings, this is just the settings of your blog. The settings of your blog, you see, I can change my title here, can change my description, visible to search engines. Of course, you make it yes, and everything. These are just settings. When you come here, you will understand all those things. Just read this thing. If anything you don't understand, you can always click on this question something, if there's something like that, and it will tell you what it's all about. Okay, post and comments. People can comment on my blog, on my post. So anyone, I say that anyone should comment, but for moderation, I must moderate the comment. I must be the one to approve it before it shows on my blog. These are just settings: email, search, language formatting, search preferences. This place is very important. This search preference is very important because this is where you I don't know, I'm writing something now. This is where you show how all those things work. Okay, so this one is user setting. On this user setting, so you see that search preference. Okay, what am I typing? What am I doing? Okay, search preference. So this is where you customize your blog to be shown on search engines. It has to do with SEO, and these things I would teach us how to do all these things, because without all these things in place, your blog will not be appearing on the internet. All right, I want to stop there. I believe you have gotten acquainted with this blogger dashboard. It's very simple. If you can use Corel Draw, you can write posts and the rest of them. It's very simple. Just explore them, explore everything you see here, and get the best result. Of course, in the next video, I'm going to show us how to customize our blog, and how to write a post. That is the two videos that is remaining. So see you.